Space is big, really big. It's so vast that it defies our comprehension, stretching out in all directions, seemingly infinite. You just won't believe how vastly, hugely, mind-bogglingly big it is. The distances between stars, planets, and galaxies are so immense that they boggle the mind. And yet, within this vast expanse, things sometimes collide. Asteroids slam into planets, creating craters and sometimes causing mass extinctions. Stars merge in a fiery embrace, leading to spectacular supernova explosions that outshine entire galaxies for a brief moment. And galaxies tear each other apart in cosmic collisions, their stars and planets flung into new orbits, creating new stellar nurseries. While these cosmic events may seem like the stuff of science fiction, they are a stark reminder of the dynamic and often violent nature of our universe. The cosmos is a place of constant change and upheaval. One such hypothetical event that has captured the imagination of astronomers and science fiction writers alike is a collision between Earth and our celestial neighbor Venus. This scenario, while unlikely, presents a fascinating what-if that challenges our understanding of planetary dynamics. Venus, often referred to as Earth's twin, is the second planet from the Sun, and shares a striking resemblance to our own planet in terms of size and composition. However, its surface conditions are vastly different, with temperatures hot enough to melt lead and an atmosphere thick with carbon dioxide. Imagine for a moment a scenario where these two celestial bodies, separated by a mere cosmic whisper, find their paths intertwined in a fateful dance of gravity. The gravitational forces at play would be immense, pulling and tugging at each other as they spiral closer. What would happen if Venus, cloaked in its thick, toxic atmosphere, were to collide with Earth? The collision would unleash unimaginable energy, reshaping both planets in an instant. The answer, as you might expect, is nothing short of catastrophic. The impact would likely vaporize large portions of both planets, sending debris hurtling into space and potentially forming a new celestial body from the remnants. The aftermath would be a testament to the raw power and unpredictability of the universe. Earth, our home, is a vibrant planet teeming with life. It is a unique gem in the vast expanse of the universe, a place where countless species thrive in harmony. Its surface is a mosaic of vast oceans, towering mountains, and sprawling continents, all enveloped by a life-giving atmosphere. This atmosphere not only sustains life but also protects it from the harsh conditions of space. Liquid water flows freely, nourishing a breathtaking diversity of life forms. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every corner of Earth is brimming with life. Earth is a paradise, a cosmic oasis in the vastness of space. Its blue oceans and green forests stand in stark contrast to the barren landscapes of other planets. Venus, on the other hand, is a world of extremes. It is often referred to as Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition, but the resemblance ends there. Despite being similar in size and mass to Earth, it is a scorching hellhole, shrouded in a dense carbon dioxide atmosphere. The thick clouds of sulfuric acid make it impossible for sunlight to penetrate, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. The surface temperature on Venus can reach a staggering 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. This extreme heat is a result of the intense greenhouse effect caused by its thick atmosphere. Its atmosphere is a toxic cocktail of sulfuric acid clouds, and the pressure at the surface is 90 times that of Earth's. This immense pressure would crush any human-made spacecraft attempting to land. Despite their differences, Earth and Venus share a common origin. They were both born from the same primordial cloud of gas and dust that formed our solar system. Both planets formed from the same swirling cloud of gas and dust billions of years ago. This shared beginning makes their divergent paths all the more fascinating, yet their evolutionary paths diverge dramatically, resulting in two vastly different worlds. While Earth developed conditions suitable for life, Venus became a hostile environment. While Earth evolved into a haven for life, Venus became a cautionary tale, a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes our planet habitable. The differences between these two planets highlight the fragile nature of planetary ecosystems. But what if these two siblings, separated by fate, were to meet again, not in a peaceful embrace, but in a cataclysmic collision? Such an event would be catastrophic, altering the course of our solar system forever. It serves as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. Let's rewind the cosmic clock for a moment. Imagine the vastness of space, where time itself seems to stretch infinitely, and the stars twinkle like ancient sentinels watching over the universe. Imagine a time before the collision, when Earth and Venus are on a collision course, their gravitational pull drawing them inexorably closer. Picture the silent ballet of these celestial bodies, each orbiting in a delicate dance, yet destined to meet in a cataclysmic embrace. As the distance between them shrinks, the gravitational forces amplify, stretching and distorting both planets. The very fabric of space-time around them warps, creating a cosmic tension that can be felt across the solar system. On Earth, the effects of this impending doom would be impossible to ignore. People would gaze up at the sky, witnessing celestial events that defy explanation, their hearts filled with a mix of awe and dread. Tides would rise to unprecedented heights, swamping coastlines and engulfing entire cities. The oceans, driven by the gravitational pull of Venus, would become relentless, transforming once safe harbors into perilous waters. Earthquakes of unimaginable magnitude would ripple across the planet, splitting continents and reshaping the very face of our world. The ground beneath our feet would become unstable, a constant reminder of the approaching catastrophe. The night sky would be ablaze with the fiery glow of Venus, its once serene presence transformed into a looming harbinger of destruction. The planet, now a brilliant beacon of impending doom, would dominate the heavens, casting an eerie light over the Earth. As the two planets draw closer, the gravitational forces would reach a breaking point, tearing both planets apart in a spectacular display of cosmic violence. The very essence of these worlds would be ripped asunder, their materials scattered across the void. The collision itself would be less of an impact and more of a merging, a cosmic dance of destruction on a planetary scale. This dance, a slow and inevitable waltz, would culminate in the ultimate fusion of two worlds. The two planets would shatter, their crusts crumbling and their cores merging in a fiery inferno. The intense heat and pressure would forge new elements, creating a chaotic yet beautiful display of cosmic alchemy. The remnants of Earth and Venus, now a swirling maelstrom of molten rock and vaporized metal, would be flung out into space, forming a glowing debris field around the newly formed celestial body. This new entity, born from the destruction of two worlds, would stand as a testament to the relentless and transformative power of the universe. Section 4. The day the Earth stood still. The moment of impact would be instantaneous, but the consequences would reverberate for billions of years. The energy released from the collision would be equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. The Earth's rotation would cease abruptly, throwing the planet into disarray. The once familiar cycle of day and night would be no more. Temperatures would skyrocket, instantly vaporizing anything on the surface facing the impact. Oceans would boil away, leaving behind vast dry basins. Mountains would crumble, their once imposing peaks reduced to dust. The Earth's atmosphere would be stripped away, leaving the planet exposed to the harsh radiation of space. The Earth's magnetic field, our invisible shield against cosmic radiation, would collapse, leaving the planet vulnerable to the sun's deadly rays. The remnants of Earth and Venus, now a molten mass, would slowly begin to coalesce under the relentless pull of gravity. Section 5. Oceans boil, continents crack. In the immediate aftermath of the collision, the Earth's surface would be a scene of unimaginable chaos. Oceans would vaporize, their waters transforming into a thick, superheated steam that would blanket the planet. The intense heat and pressure would melt rock, creating vast lava flows that would engulf entire continents. The Earth's crust, fractured and broken, would buckle and heave, creating colossal tsunamis that would dwarf anything ever witnessed in human history. These monstrous waves, miles high and traveling at supersonic speeds, would sweep across the globe, obliterating any traces of civilization that might have survived the initial impact. The air itself would become unbreathable, a toxic mixture of superheated gases and vaporized rock. The Earth's once vibrant biosphere would be extinguished in an instant, leaving behind a barren, lifeless wasteland.